printed the Mood bucket hat pattern off of the Mood website. The instructions say to just print the first page. It says actual size, no scaling. My printer, I have to tell it to print it at 100%. So once I print this page, I check and make sure that my Mood patterns icon over here is 2 inches by 2 inches, which it is. So I'm ready to go. These are my sizes, so I will measure my head and trace the one that fits. I like the way Mood has it because you have these lines. You can butt it right up to the lines. So you butt it right up next to each other. My masking tape's old, so I'm using clear tape, which isn't my first choice, but I like Mood's patterns because you put it right up to the line. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, it says 23, size E. I happen to like my hats a little bit bigger, so I'm going to go up a size and do F. I like to trace it so that I don't ever have to piece this pattern together again. I use the medical paper that's on the chairs at the doctor's office. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. I said I was going to do F. So here's F. So this is marking my center front, my sides, and here's my grain line. And this is bucket hat F. crown. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. And here is the brim. A, B, C, D, E, F. There are different views about whether or not you should cut paper with your fabric scissors. I find that some fabrics, as well as paper, can dull scissors more quickly. If you like my content, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please ask. I will be making this hat, so come back.